There's a lot of buzz on the web right now about Kindle and how to get an ebook published on the Kindle bookstore, and in fact how to actually become a Kindle publisher yourself. Becoming a Kindle publisher offers anyone who's looking for a way to make money online the opportunity to publish their own ebooks and make a significant amount of money in the process. As a Kindle publisher, you can quickly publish as many ebooks as you like and in virtually any niche that you can think of. In the following training modules, we're going to take a look at the Kindle Publishing Network. We'll show you how to become both an author and publisher yourself and turn it into consistent monthly income. We'll be looking at the various facets of the Kindle publishing system over the next few minutes, so sit back and enjoy the presentation. Learning Module 1, Traditional Publishing versus Self-Publishing. Your module objectives are to understand the fundamental differences between traditional and self-publishing, and to differentiate the economical advantages posed by the two respective publishing methods. Traditional Publishing. In the traditional publishing system, the author's sole purpose is to provide the idea for the manuscript. The publishing house handles everything else. In addition, the manuscript is open to acceptance, edition, or rejection from the publication house. First, when the author completes the manuscript, the author writes a proposal to the publishing house. The editor then reads through the manuscript and decides whether it should be accepted or rejected. If it's rejected, the author can then offer it to other publishers for rewrite. On the other hand, if accepted, the publishing house buys the rights from the writer and pays them future royalties. The house then completes the design and packages, markets, and sells the book. One of the best advantages of going with traditional publishing is the prestige you gain from going with a well-known publishing company. However, on the downside, you can expect a lower profit share per book, usually at a 10% royalty payment, as the lion's share of profits goes to the publishing house. What is meant by self-publishing? In the self-publishing system, the author is responsible to oversee all aspects of the writing, including the manuscript, any required proofreading, editing, design layouts, as well as the entire marketing and selling of the book. As a self-publisher, you retain control over your book and enjoy a much higher profit margin versus going with a traditional publishing company. This means you can update it anytime you wish. There's no need to get your book approved by an editor, and you can work at your own pace. However, remember that you can always switch to the traditional method of publishing if you like. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.